everyone. First of all, a big congratulations to all those students who were able to crack the foreign medical graduate screening exam in this session. However, I'm sure that some of you could not do it in spite of your best efforts. A lot of time it happens that we are unable to focus and we are unable to concentrate onto the things which are asked in the exam. This year, I am very happy to tell you that DBMCI did a small TND for foreign medical graduate screening exam, and that is by the name of Behtareen Bhatia TND. And I am very happy to share with you the result that we have got. It is so encouraging for us to see that the student have not just passed the exam, rather they have come out with flying colors, and a lot of students have score more than 200. Though we all know that in this exam, it is not the score that matters, rather whether you have passed the exam or not. After this, lot of students have requested us that they want a complete full course with the guidance of DBMCI faculty. To address their need, DBMCI is bringing a complete regular batch for the students who are targeting June 2022 exam. We have realized that now, as you see that the way that the paper pattern is changing, the exam is going into more and more clinical stuff, and a lot of students have praised that the DBMCI and the eGurukul have helped them a lot. So to address to their need, DBMCI is bringing a very unique course for FMG June 2022 session, and that is a regular online live course. We know that the COVID wave 3 has already come. We do not know that how many time we will be, or for how many days we will be able to do face-to-face classes, but we know that the live schedule based classes can always be done from the comfort of your home in your safety. So the salient features of the course are that you will be getting all 19 subjects in a scheduled environment, where the schedule, a prefix schedule of each and every subject will be given to you. After every subject, there will be a gap of 3 to 4 days for enough revision, where you can practice question bank, where you can do the revision of the subject, and then the next subject will start. And that will be with the great experienced faculty of DBMCI. Along with that, you will also get an access to the custom question bank module, which is focused on the type of questions that are asked in the foreign medical graduate screening exam, so that you are not unnecessarily cluttering your brain with the information that is not needed for the exam. Not just this, you will also get a complimentary access of the eGurukul app along with the recording of the lecture for the next 15 days, so that in case you have missed the lecture or you have failed to understand a particular concept, you are able to revise it in the time that has been allocated. All this with the guidance of DBMCI in a structured, in a scheduled environment. And I'm sure that all of you will be able to do great if you're gonna join this course. The course is starting from 7th of January, and presently for the first 100 students, the course fee has been specifically reduced to only 15,000 rupees. So you can join this course by subscribing to the DBMCI live app, and you can subscribe to the course. I am very hopeful that this course will be extremely helpful in your preparation for FMG screening exam in June 2022. I am waiting for you, and I wish you all the best for all the upcoming exams ahead.